Yeah. Now, we got plenty of this andouille crawfish cornbread stuff in here, and we're gonna stuff some of this red snapper. Shoo. Yeah. You know how to do that, right? Now, this here is whole fish. What you want to do is score that skin a little bit so we can get some of that seasoning in there. Throw on more of that Louisiana Crawfish Company seasoning. Man, it looks good enough to eat already, you know what I mean? Oh, yeah. Stuff it full. Perfect.
Yeah, perfect, man.
Now, while we're waiting for this gator to cook, we're gonna be doing some snacking. And there's no better snacking at the pit than some fresh shucked oysters, man. All right, we've shucked up a bunch of oysters here, and now we've got a little bit of that fried oyster dust. We're gonna dredge these oysters in there because we're gonna be making some fried oysters. Oh yeah. You can find the recipe for this dust again on our website, all right? You know how to fry oysters, right? You got some corn oil in there. Man, we gotta have a moment of silence. Listen to these oysters fry up in this corn oil. All right, only takes a few minutes to fry them oysters up. Now we're gonna make some what they call crawfish popcorn batter, all right? And it's just a beer batter with some seasoning in there. And here we've got some crawfish tails. All right? Now, if you've never had fried crawfish tails before, you're definitely missing something out of your life. You gotta check this out, all right? Get those crawfish tails in there. Get that beer batter all over that. Take it to that corn oil. Take a look at that. Now you can go ahead and eat that crawfish popcorn just like that, but we're gonna make ourselves a po' boy, all right? We're gonna make a crawfish po' boy, or you can make one of these oyster po' boys. Man, there's no better snacking while waiting for that gator to cook. Now, these po' boys, real simple. You just throw some mayo on some good French bread right there, some fresh garden tomatoes, line them up, throw on some lettuce. Now choose what you want. You could do them fried oysters on there, but we're gonna put these fried crawfish tails right on there. Just like that. Load it up. Yeah. Let's eat. Oh. Lord have mercy. Oh, yeah, Nick.
That's good.
All right, about an hour has gone by. It's time to take off this foil, all right? Take a look at that. Now, from this point on, we're going to be hitting this with a lot of moisture, all right? Because, again, like I said, there's not a lot of fat in this, so we need to keep it moist. So about every half hour, we're going to hit it with a spray bottle. All we've got in here is some water, we've got some oil, we've got some garlic powder. Use your favorite spray oil mix, all right? A couple hours ago. Again, keep spraying. Look at that. We're about 2 hours into this. It's good enough to eat already now, right? But it's not. Oh yeah.
One, two, three, go.
Now you can form your own Pit Boys chapter by going to our website and signing up. All right, that red snapper is done. I'm gonna hit this gator again. Again, we want to keep it moist. You getting hungry or what? Oh yeah. About another half hour. And through the miracle of time, this alligator is done. Time to eat. Tip of the tail, that's called Pitmaster privilege right there.
Thighs at the chicken coop. I got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna grab me some thighs at the chicken coop. Got my barbecue shoes on. Gonna
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your barbecue, you check out BBQPitBoys.com.